Hey everybody, hi, it's Tim Hammonds from Art Awakening Singapore. We just wrapped up our visual sketchnoting essentials workshop. Very happy to have created that. And just one thing I want to share with you, when we start our programs, we always like to start with this question: what's your why? Why are you here? What do you hope to achieve? And for this workshop, it's sketchnoting, the skill of harvesting my personal thoughts, my personal reflections, or professional learning that I want to capture. And so some people said I want to use it for my organizing my meeting notes or in my coaching practice. One lady said I want to learn to do drumming. But aside from that, we ask, what do you hope how do you want to grow from this to be a better storyteller, to be a more connected presenter, and so on. And so we got them into breakouts with 3 people. And on top of that, I gave them a short task, and the task was to listen for sound bites, draw a couple of little bean people here and write a name, and then just write a short phrase or a couple of words about what you heard. And when they came back, they said that was such a uplifting exercise, just to listen and capture ideas. And here's some of the things they said, right? Listen, to create more pictures, translate into pictures. Drawing makes everything more fun. And I love that. So a couple of learnings that I get is, number one, always remember, ask people what's their why, get them into a breakout, connect. And if you're up to it, invite them to listen and take notes. It's a great way to create connection. It's a great way to create validation that your voice matters and gets people checked into the meeting. And it's all the things that you want to create. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, your drawing is a gift. Take care.